Welcome to our channel Zama Cartoons. Hello kids, let's learn about insects and their features.
Creepy, crawly, small and sweet, little bugs with tiny feet. A bee came from the beehive. It makes sweet honey to keep us alive. An ant came from the anthill, works in teams with strength and skill. A wasp came from the wasp nest. It has a sting sharp and best. A butterfly came from the cocoon, colorful wings shining by noon. A moth came from the cocoon, flies in the night under the moon. Buzz, buzz, jump and play, insects make our learning day. A beetle came from the woodlog, with a hard shell it can jaw. A ladybug came from the leaf, red with black spots, short and brief. A dragonfly came from the pond. It flies so fast the whole day long. A damsel flea came from the pond, slim and gentle, tiny and fun. A grasshopper came from the grass, jumps so high and moves so fast. Hop and fly, crawl around, insects buzzing, what a sound. A cricket came from the meadow. It chirps at night, soft and mellow. A cockroach came from the kitchen, runs so quick, always switching. A termite came from the wood, eats the houses, not so good. A fly came from the garbage, spreads the germs, dirty package. A mosquito came from the water, bites our skin, oh what a bother. Creepy, crawly, near and far, insects show us who they are. A gnat came from the wet ground, tiny and small, buzzing around. A flea came from the dog's fur, jumps so high, it's a blur. A louse came from the hair, crawls around without a care. A cicada came from the tree, buzzing loudly, wild and free. A leaf hopper came from the leaf, it hops so quick, short and brief. Tiny friends we see today, learning bugs in a fun way. An aphid came from the plant, sucks the juice like a tiny ant. A firefly came from the grass, glows at night like shining glass. A stink bug came from the tree, smells so bad, as stinky as can be. A praying mantis came from the bush, hands like praying, quiet and
our channel Zama Cartoons.